wait! Sonic Boom's not in here! Ah! Ah! Wait, it was only a dream? Finally! Yes, it was only a dream for once! I'm gonna go ahead and play some video games, and I'm gonna like it! Oh, okay. Where is Sonic Boom? No, Sonic Boom! Yeah, bro, that thing went out 10 years ago. It didn't even come out 10 years ago. It came out like 5 years ago. Well, I'm just a sock puppet. Nothing bad about me. You just told me that I was... Yeah, you just told me that was 10 years ago. You stuttered. Screw you! I don't need your help. Okay. Which one of you threw out the Sonic game? I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Yar, we didn't. None of you want to confess, huh? Well, I mean, they might have did it. Well, I didn't do it. You know what? I don't even care about the game anymore. Dang it. Dang, man, I really want to play some mobile games. Mobile games? Yeah, idiot, you said mobile games instead of Wii U games. So, instead of mobile games or console games, what could I do? You could die in a Wait, Mario Maker, Switch, come on! Yeah! Crap. Or why would I sound like that? That's bullcrap. And for two? Mario Party. Okay, Mario Maker 2's right there. But I don't want to play it anymore. What's the sense of looking for Mario Maker 2 if you don't want to play it anymore? What did you just say to me? I said fuck! Wow, what's wrong with him? You'll never catch me alive. Crap. No, well... Yeah. Well, screw you too. Fuck! You know what? I think I should just go to sleep today. Nothing mad. Well, nobody liked you anyway. Fuck! Welcome to the end credits scene. Ah, crap. I shouldn't even do this crap anymore. I knew Sonic Boom is probably never gonna come back to my shelf. But they probably threw that game out years ago. I know you did. Yeah, stop bringing me that silent talk. Anyway, I was wondering if you could do me a favor. And what should I say if you want a special light balloons? something. I don't know. Actually, why should I even be saying this? I bet nobody is even in the bother. You know what? Let's figure out this guy called Super Mario Tamar. And you know what? Do me a favor and smash his like button, not mine. And also, why even bother subbing to me if all you're gonna do is sub to him with his crappy bullcrap content? Sorry. I was able to pick up the camera while he was passing out. Anyway, if you heard what he said, then, he's free! He's telling the truth! Burp, burp, burp. I knew we should have got its sonic boom back.